Crocs in the Maldives. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. Today I'm going to do a quick review of Crocs which we have been using in the Maldives. So we are staying on local Maldivian island. Right now we are on Ukulhas and you can see that I have my Crocs right here. So I'm just going to wear it, and then walking lady is here and she has been wearing her Crocs for the entire month. We are in the Maldives. Now this is a beachside cafe. We just had our coffee and stuff. Now one thing I can tell you that even it's very hot, it we don't feel like it's a we don't feel overheated in our feet, so it feels very comfortable even if we are wearing it. And then if it has sand, then you can just you can just dust it off when it removes the sand. But this is a Crocs I bought in Canada and I've been using the Crocs entire time in the Maldives. So it's very comfortable to walk in the sand, and even when you are going to water. So one thing I want to show you. Okay, so that's Maldivian crystal clear water, and you can see how beautiful the beach is. So Crocs was our choice of shoes when we are in Maldives. And sometimes I notice that when you walk, it actually kind of puts a Croc sign on sand. Unfortunately it's not doing it now, but I saw it before. I'm just trying to show you guys. So it's right there, but it's hard to see. So far, the Crocs have been pretty doing pretty good on this trip. And at first I thought that it's going to give us like some kind of problem, or it's going to make our feet like warm or smell, but nothing happens and we're fine. I remember one day we went on a whale shark tour and the Croc was like in the sun for like 6 hours, and when we came back and we put it on our feet, still it was not overheated, it didn't melt, or it didn't anything, nothing bad happened. It just still keeps working and working. So that was the Crocs review in the Maldives. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.